What are we doing here?
We live here, remember?
Oh yeah, but why are we outside?
Because we...
Continue.
Okay, because we live here.
I know, but why are we not inside?
Oh. You see, Red, we live here, around the streets. We live outside with birds.
I guess so.
Ow. Ow, 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 ow. That hurts.
Ow, 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 ow. I knocked the birds down. Oh, but King Pig's gonna be so proud of me. Alright. Let me just shit. Oh, they have heavy. Where am I? What?
We all came here because we were all kidnapped. Remember?
Oh, I didn't remember anything.
Well, yeah, you see, we were all kidnapped here. The pigs knocked us out and everything.
Yeah, Red. So understand kidnapping. Oh, well, I got hit by something, but I don't remember what it is. I think it's something like wood or something.
Wait, is that a gun?
I think it is.
Oh, shit.
Oh no, we're dead.
Whoa, I didn't expect all you birds here. I came up to pick up my gun. And you know what the gun is about. I got to shoot one of the fuck out of you. I'm gonna blow your brains and use them as whatever. Alright, let's get started. Please don't shoot our little birdie brains out. Alright, I gotta make sure this gun is reloaded. Yeah, let's do this. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. I remember you knocking our territory, and that was bad. Oh, isn't that sad? You get to die.
No, I don't want to die.
Oh, too bad. Well, isn't that I'm gonna keep on going the second round, okay? Alright, let's get this started. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'm skipping to the last part. And you are gonna die. Oh, so sad. You're gonna die like the yellow one, but painfully. No, don't kill me. Oh, say your prayers. Okay. Whoa, wow. I don't need this gun anymore. Guess what I need? This was my old timer. And you know what I'm gonna do with it? Ugh, looks like my work here is done. I'm gonna go now. Hey mustache. Huh? It's time for you to die.